Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something. If you get your clippers worked on or decide to work on your clipper yourself, make sure you are getting OEM parts. Even Smokey says so. So, OEM is original manufacturer. So if you have an Andis clipper, buy Andis parts. Don't go to the hardware store trying to find the right screw, even though they're very similar. So this is a clipper I just took apart. And the first thing I noticed was the hinge screws were actually wood screws. And the main difference is the point. Machine screws are flat. They don't have a point. So let's see if I can get my fingers out of the way here. So this is a machine screw from Andis. It has the right threads to go inside the motor mount, which is on the other side of the hinge, I mean. Someone must have lost their hinge screws, or another sharpener just didn't feel like buying the correct one and went to Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever, and bought a wood screw. I mean, it's similar in length, but as you can tell, the threads are completely different. Let me see, I'm gonna just aim it down so you guys can see. So there you can see, one's a wood screw. This is a wood screw. This is a machine screw from Andis. And the other thing is the heads are way different sizes. The wood screw is a big fat head. So when you put them inside your hinge, one sits in the recess and one sticks out. If you can see that. Pull the camera away. So the one on the right is the wood screw and the one on the left is the Andis screw. You can see it sits in there correctly. So take a look at that when you're getting your clippers back, or if you're working on them yourself. Hope this helps someone. And yeah,